Can we make money with YouTube Shorts? This is a quick 5-step process, a 5-step process, and in 10 minutes, you're going to be making a couple of $100 a day. Stick to the end of the video. You're not going to want to miss this. YouTube Shorts. They tell you can't make money with YouTube Shorts. They tell you can't monetize YouTube Shorts. So why YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is YouTube's answer to TikTok. TikTok is very popular, and YouTube wants to get in on some of that vertical action and get some more traffic. So you can use popular music in YouTube Shorts, about 15 seconds. You can use 15 seconds of popular music without worrying about copyright strikes. So that's a good plus for YouTube. YouTube is pushing the Shorts platform. So if you start pushing Shorts, if you start making Shorts, they're looking for Shorts. There's not enough Shorts made for the amount of traffic that they have. So you have a good chance of getting your videos to go viral. You could use old TikTok videos if you wanted to and make YouTube Shorts out of them. Just make sure you don't use the TikTok logo. Take the TikTok logo out of there. They don't like it. The key to YouTube Shorts is to grab attention quickly. You got 3 to 5 seconds to grab their attention in a short, 15 to 60 second video. You got only 3 to 5 seconds. Grab their attention, point them in the direction of your other channel for your full-length videos. That's also a plus. You give them a tease, a 1-minute tease, 50 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever it is, just a tease of what your main video is about, and you put a link in the description. Step 1 is you pick a niche. We're going to use cute puppies. Now the drop-down menu you see here, these are all keyword phrases that people are actively searching on YouTube. You can choose any one of them and you'll know that it's something that people are actively searching on YouTube. You can pick any one of these for a keyword phrase to use. Then you go up here to the top left and you're going to choose with filters. You're going to filter out videos that you don't want to see. We're going to use Creative Commons. So you're going to come over to Creative Commons. That means that you have no copyright to worry about. You can reuse these videos. You're going to search videos. You're going to find good videos with lots of views that are already doing good on YouTube, and you're going to use them for your YouTube Shorts. You're going to find a good video. Step 2 is you find a YouTube to MP4 converter. You can anyone, you can just search Google. There's new ones all the time, and you look for it. You search YouTube MP3 player and MP3 converter. There you go. We're going to use this one. Then you go back to your YouTube video that you chose, and you're going to go and you're going to click this here button, the share button, and you're going to copy the link to the video. Then you're going to put it into the bar here, and you're going to convert it to an MP4. Then you download it to your computer. Step 3 is you go to Canva. Canva's free to use, very useful tool. You're going to go down here to the video, right in the middle of the video. From there you're going to go over here on the right to mobile video. Then you're going to upload the video that you downloaded to your computer. You're going to upload it, and then you're going to choose it for your short. You're going to, of course, expand it. You're going to expand it. You're going to turn around. You're going to cut it down. You're going to add some stuff to it. You're going to add some text. You're going to add some call to actions. You're going to put some arrows. You want people to click the link, so you're going to put call to action. You're going to put a call to action as many times as you can. You're going to put it in your description. You're going to put it everywhere you can. Okay, free. We're going to change this lettering. You could pick any letters. You can figure out what works for you. And it's not below. You don't click the link below. You click the link on the side, on the right side over here. So you really should put it on the click the link and put arrows over to the side. But this is just a quick tutorial, and you use some arrows to point, and you change the color of the arrows. And this is all good stuff. Now you can play around with your creativeness. Now remember, you're going to cut this down to 15 seconds. It's got to be under a minute. It's got to be under a minute, and it's got to be vertical. Now we're going to download it to our computer, and we're going to upload it to YouTube. And that is step 4. Uploading it to YouTube and optimizing the video with a title, with keywords in the title, a keyword phrase like I told you. You're going to put the keyword phrase again in the description. We're going to come back to the description. We're going to put paragraph with keywords and links and that's how you're going to make money. But that's in step 5. That's the magical step. Stick to the end. You don't want to miss step 5. Okay, so you're going to fix the description, paragraph with keywords and links. You're going to put keywords down here at the bottom, keywords, and you may or may not want to use a thumbnail. You can change it around. You can use one of the pictures that they already picked for you, or you can go to Canva and you can make a thumbnail. But I find, you need to split test your thumbnails to see what works, and I think that the raw thumbnail points out that it's a short, and everybody realizes that it's a short, and that's how it's going to be recognized. Okay. Now here's where you pick your thumbnail, and then here's your description. Now we cut and pasted and put some in the description, and we're going to pick one of the pictures that they gave us for a thumbnail. Now after you get a few videos, you can put in what's called end screens, and you can put links to your videos, your other videos, to create loops, okay, video loops, so people can keep watching your videos over and over again in video loops. And you would use end screens and cards if the video was long enough, and then you would publish it and make it public, okay, and then you're all set for step number 5. Stay tuned for step number 5. It's the magical money step, and here we go with step number 5. Now look at that. This is an advertorial. This is a website that I made with some software. I'll leave a link in the description for a trial for the software you need. It's an advertorial. People think it's an article, but it's really an ad, and it has links in it. It's affiliate links, and people click the links. They're getting information, they're getting value, they're getting something that they're looking for, stuff on whatever niche it is, and you're giving them value. Then they click on the link, and when they do click on the link, they go to your next page, which is a lead capture page, and you're going to give away something free. Now I'm giving away a free copy of an airplane game, and when they put their email in, they go into my email autoresponder. Now this email autoresponder is Mailing Boss. I'll leave a link. It's a whole one package deal for all the software, and then I have 6 emails set up that automatically go out for the next 6 days. Okay, once they are in the funnel, and they'll get an email every day for 6 days with some value, with some tips on the niche, with maybe some downloads, maybe a checklist, maybe something else, and so you warm up the traffic. Okay. Now one of the emails here, here's one of the bodies of the email, and in the email you would put your links for your affiliate offers. Okay, for your checklist, for your value, for whatever, and they get like 1 a day, and this can go on. Now, once you have their email, you have their email for life, as long as you don't. Okay, so now you know about affiliate marketing. If you need to know more about affiliate marketing, I do have a free course. Click the link, I'll leave the free course down there. With these YouTube shorts, you're going to post 3 to 5 a day. Okay, 3 to 5 a day. They're not all going to go viral. I was getting 800 to 1,000 views every 3 to 5 YouTube shorts. The rest of them didn't do so good. Some of them did, some of them didn't. But for the most part, every third to fifth one, went back for a bunch of, every third to fifth short took off. Okay, so then you get like 1,000 views on the short, and let's say 10% of those people click your link, and let's say you're selling something for $30, $50, and that's how you're making money. You're making hundreds of dollars a day just on traffic, free traffic from YouTube Shorts. Okay, so that's what you're doing. Click the link in the description, watch some of my other videos. And if you want to learn how to make those advertorials, those web pages, simple web pages that'll warm up your traffic, landing pages that'll capture your email so you can make an email list, or an email autoresponder so that you can or target these people over and over again with emails every day for the rest of their lives. If you are interested in that kind of internet marketing, click the link. I'm going to give you a trial down below. Click the link, watch some of my other videos. My videos about using that software to make money online. Click the link down there. Oh, and this video over here, the next video that pops up, YouTube has decided that that's the video you need to see. So click the link right now, because that's what they're thinking, that based on what you've watched now up until this point, this is the next video you need to see. So click it, because they know what they're doing. They know more about it than you do. Click the link up right here. Click the link.